Itanya ria uria wale murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya utabia wa thitima Ben Chumo gutuika muikariri giti wa kamiti ya kuramata mishara ya muingi guku bururi-ini SRC niriringire ihiga thiku imwe tu thutha wa gwikinyia mbere ya kamiti ya bunge igie kigina na mibango guthurimwo wagiriru wake. Kuringana na riboti irerekereirio ni kamiti ino, Chumo uria ukurirwo maitho ni thitango cia ungumania igoti-ini mari nangi ndakinyaniirie wagiriru uria gathikitwo ni gatiba ya bururi.
You've been to Kenya Power Lighting Company, the company that has fleeced Kenyans a lot of money through corruption. You are in court on corruption charges. You have the full guts to sit in front of us to demand this job.
Riboti ino ni ongereire kuga thutha wa guthurima wagiriru uhoti na umenyo wa Chumo ukiringithanio na ihengere itiganite cia gatiba na mawatho ma bururi, kamiti ino ni irendekithia bunge teanirie kwa muro gwake.
This gentleman is not beyond reproach. One thing that you have not said here is this same gentleman has been already charged in a court of law in a matter of procurement while he was the chair of Egerton University.
Oni thegia ya Chumo gukorwo eteteirie ati ndari itemi anyitire hindi ya ngukumio iyo kuria kurekwirwo kambuni ya Kenya Power ni yagurire mitambo ya transformer itakinyaniire ikiro ya muigana wa ciringi bilioni 4.5 hindi ya wathani wake ta murugamiriri munene.
One can only be innocent until he is proven guilty. This is a situation that arose in 2011-2012. I was not the CEO then at KPLC. Not that I'm casting aspersions on procurement of those transformers.
Honorable Speaker, I beg to...
Thutha wa riboti ino gutemanio giikaro-ini kia bunge miaraho ya umuthi, abunge matinaria mari gukindira guteanirio gwa Chumo makiuga kwa muro gwake ni ta gutugiria ngukumio.
In as far as the case is facing in court, and I'm not a lawyer, I have no law firm. If he's paying some lawyers, you can only defend him in a court of law, not in the chamber.
Kenyans are asking, where was the DCI, where was the EACC when the president was presenting the name of this nominee in front of parliament?
In other countries, when you are mentioned on corruption charges, some public officers commit suicide.
Riu maitho ma muingi mekwerekerio kuri mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta kuona niwe kwamura guthinga ithenya riria Chumo aratanyitwo guthinga riria atigirwo theri ni Sarah Serem.